In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage construction projects in Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use board based on a proven construction tracking template, plus practical tips to make it fit your workflow. Start by opening Monday.com and heading to your home page. From there, go to Workspaces. Workspaces are your top-level folders, so choose the one where your construction project belongs. This keeps access and files organized for the right team. Next, look for the plus icon beside your chosen workspace. Click it and hover over the option to create a board. Instead of starting from scratch, select Start with Template. Templates save time and give you structure that's already tailored to common use cases. When the Template Center opens, switch to All Templates so you can see the full library, then go into the General Templates category. In the search bar, type Construction Project Tracking. This template is designed to help you manage tasks, timelines, owners, and statuses across all phases of a build. Click the template to open its preview. Take a moment to scan the example columns and groups. This helps you confirm it matches how your team works. Click Use Template to add it to your workspace. Monday.com will create a new board using that layout. If you already have a naming convention, rename the board right away so it's easy to find and share with your team. With the board created, you can start adding items. Think of each item as a task or deliverable, things like site survey, permitting, procurement, framing, or inspections. Click New Item, give it a clear name, and fill out the essential fields. Assign an owner so everyone knows who's responsible. Set a timeline to define the start and end dates, and update the status to reflect the current stage. Now, tailor the board to your needs. Edit labels and group names to mirror your project phases, such as pre-construction, construction, and closeout. If the template includes columns you don't use, rename or adjust them so they track exactly what matters to you. Scope notes, materials, subcontractors, or budget references. Keep your naming consistent and descriptive, and use the notes or updates area on each item to capture field updates, change orders, or site photos. As you work, keep statuses current and timelines realistic. This keeps the board reliable for daily stand-ups and stakeholder reviews. Review ownership regularly so nothing stalls. And when new tasks pop up, add them immediately so the plan stays complete and actionable. That's it. Your construction project is now set up in Monday.com. Using a structured template, you can confidently manage and evolve.